Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker JBL Boombox 4 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Now click at the search line at the top, or if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write JBL Portable. And you should install the application what's called JBL Portable. Now open it. Click Get Started, then accept agreements. Click Allow. If you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need, click Do Not Allow. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add this speaker to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!